Hey, how are you? I saw you at church but didn't get a chance to say hi. Looks like you are enjoying a game of golf.
Oh yeah, good to see you. I am just here taking time from work. I was so busy at church. Please forgive me. We have to catch up, brother. I've been getting this weird feeling that something big is about to happen.
Well, my friend, I know it's peaceful out here, but it's a deception. Jesus is coming soon, but the world goes on like it's nothing. That's why we have to be ready now, because anything can happen.
Well, I know I have been going to church all my life, but I don't feel I am ready. The church I go to is not alive. I mean, the message of the church is, but I just don't feel the Spirit of God in there.
How is your relationship with God?
Not too hot, my brother. I mean, I don't remember the last time I prayed or read my Bible. Church is kind of boring and keeping the Sabbath is a pain.
Okay, well, can I suggest something?
Sure, go ahead.
The Lord is calling you, which is obvious. Because of the way you feel, your life can be filled to overflowing. If you rededicate your life to Him and make up your mind to serve Him, the problem is not the church, but really our relationship with Jesus.
Well, to tell you the truth, I don't have much of a desire.
Yes, that's normal. My brother, we have to pray for everything. Pray that God will give you the will and the desire and the love to follow Him and to love Him, and I know He will answer.
Yes, that's what I wanted to hear today. I remember a scripture that says, "Draw nigh to God and He will draw nigh to you. Cleanse your hands, ye sinners, and purify your hearts, ye double-minded."